Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making Voicemeeter and Vban visible to the network. Open Voicemeeter, then the Vban tab, set the local IP to your machine, and confirm sample rate matches your apps. Once done, enable Vban for the hardware or virtual inputs you want to send. Give each stream a clear name so you can identify it later. This avoids routing mistakes and ensures consistent timing between devices. Make sure your Windows firewall allows Vban traffic before moving forward. Next, you configure each stream's source, codec, and routing. Select the input, hardware output A1, virtual input, or bus, and tick Vban send. Choose PCM16 for low latency LAN or Opus if you need lower bandwidth. The why is simple: codec affects quality and CPU use. Then route the stream to the intended Vban stream slot and set the channel count to match the receiver. Once done, verify levels in Voicemeeter's meters so the signal travels cleanly to remote listeners. Finally, configure the remote or local receiver. Open its Vban panel, enable receive, and pick the exact stream name and channel count you sent. Test by playing audio and watching meters. If you hear nothing, try a local loopback first so you isolate network issues. Make sure buffer and latency settings are reasonable, increase slightly to fix clicks. If problems persist, verify firewall rules, IP addresses, and that sender and receiver use the same codec and channel configuration before assuming hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.